What's the meaning of Averell Harriman? Averell Harriman. Averell Harriman.
Averell Harriman. Averell Harriman. Averell Harriman was an American businessman and politician who served as the United States ambassador to the Soviet Union and as the governor of New York. He was known for his diplomatic efforts during World War II and the Cold War, as well as his contributions to the development of the Marshall Plan. Harriman was also involved in various business ventures, including serving as chairman of the Union Pacific Railroad. Overall, he left a significant mark on American politics, diplomacy, and business during the mid-20th century.